Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm doing a little French dish with a twist. I'm doing my beef burger bourguignon. Yep, not your traditional deal. Let's get on with this. It tastes great. Right, first thing I've done is I've made up some burgers. All I've done is bought some ground beef or beef mince, and I'm using an egg ring as a mold to make our little burgers. Season that up with a little bit of salt, just like I'm doing right there, and I'm using sea salt flakes, a little bit of freshly ground black pepper that can go straight over the top like that. And we want, it's a very simple seasoning. This, that's all we need to do. A little bit of oil into a fry pan, or a as I'm using here, my old school stainless steel fry pan, which I have not shown on the channel for some time. And simply just going to cook the burgers off. You can actually do this on the barbecue, but the weather outside today, we actually had snow today in Canberra, Australia, believe it or not. Season that up on the flip side with a little bit more sea salt and a little bit of freshly ground black pepper once again, just like that. All we're going to do is cook this for about 3 minutes maximum. We just want a bit of colour on there. We've got quite a hot pan happening, and we want that meat to maybe just stick a little bit to the bottom. Right, so give them a flip, cook them for about another 90 seconds, and all we're simply going to do is remove those burgers. They're still medium rare, which is exactly what we want. One finely chopped onion that can go straight in. All we need to do is make these translucent. Just give those a little bit of a stir around. We can actually turn that heat down a little bit now. If you get a little bit of colour on the onion, it doesn't matter too much for this, because we've actually got a real good barbecue flavour. I've got about 5 or 6 rashers of bacon. Cut those up into about a ½ inch thick slices, just like I'm doing right there. Put those in, give them a toss, and we've still got a little bit of that schmutz on the bottom from the burgers. Don't worry, we're going to take care of that in a second. It's going to help make our sauce up. Around about 4 carrots, sliced up to about 1/8 of an inch, 3.2 millimeters thick. Put those straight in, and we're going to add in around about a cup of Burgundy, or a very good red wine. Burgundy is preferable. Burgundy is actually quite cheap, but then again, this is a pretty cheap wine as well. Use that to deglaze the bottom of your pan, just like that. And here is the beginning of this incredible sauce. A little bit of store-bought beef stock. We can put around about a cup's worth in there. Reserve the rest for later. Around about 250 to 300 grams worth of little button mushrooms I've just cut in half. They can go straight in, and all we really need to do is slowly cook these off until those carrots are tender enough to eat. Okay, so just keep stirring it around every now and then. If you need to break down some of that bacon, you can. As you can see, we've reduced that liquid a fair way. Now, I'm just going to add our burgers back in to that beautiful sauce, like that. Make sure you get all those juices in as well. All that juice is additional flavour. Now, if you think it's looking a little bit on the dry side, don't fret. We can always make this just a little bit better. If need be, what we can do is just add a little bit more stock, like that. Just a little bit, and I mean a little bit. Just let it reduce back down. We want to get this beautiful thick type flavour. It's not a traditional beef bourguignon. It is a really cool way and a budget way to make this meal. Beef bourguignon is normally quite an inexpensive meal to cook, but it does take a long time to break that meat down. Using the burgers, it's fun, it's flavoursome. Let's serve it up with a nice big bit of whipped potato straight on a plate, just like that. And all we need to do simply is serve our burgers and all those beautiful mushrooms and carrots and all that beautiful sauce that we've just created. And if you haven't had beef bourguignon before, you don't know what you're missing. This version, a little bit of an exception. Absolutely magnificent tasting, really nice and smoky as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. It's a little bit different, it's a little bit fun, and it tastes amazing. Hit that notifications bell, you'll be notified every time a new video goes up. More importantly, you want to know how to cook something a little bit different, a little bit out there, just like this one. Well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button, you'll never miss another one of my videos again. But I only cooked this last night, I've still got leftovers, and I'm going to go eat those of my beautiful beef burger bourguignon, and I will catch you next time. Bye!